Hey, it's Alex from KEH, and we're here today with 3 quick tips on how to up your street photography game. First off, you need to decide your style, study the greats of the genre, and decide what you're trying to capture. For instance, are you more of a telephoto from afar, not really getting into people's space type of photographer, or are you more of a much more up-close, wide-angle type of photographer? This can change the strategy and the gear used drastically. Next up, if you are more of a grab photos quickly, don't really have time to let autofocus do its thing kind of person, zone focusing can be a great tool to add to the bag. Lastly, do not be afraid to approach strangers and take photos, but always do so kindly, with a smile, and it doesn't hurt to offer a compliment. I often find that complimenting the person for the reason I took the photo, for instance somebody's scarf or maybe a hat, creates a great moment for the both of us. Now get out there, let your inner street photographer out, and make sure to tag us in those results.